Alright y'all, today we're going to do a little training video on how to just maintain a little bit of Scag. If you ever notice, if you're going to change from side discharge and keep putting on and off this plate, if you notice this latch here getting more difficult, you likely got some buildup here and you need to scrape off the debris that's just been building up behind the plate, because this switch or latch here, it should be relatively easy to move up and down. If you find it like it's sticking or getting tough, you got some buildup. So what you'll do is you'll take it off, and it's just cleaning off all the debris. Let me put this down. And here we've got a kit with a brush here, and you're going to brush this clean. You're going to take a couple flatheads and this thing, and you're going to scrape in between. Just get all the debris. Just get the debris off in between these little gaps here. And scrape off the debris. We have this little tool to help get in this little tight area here. And so you just scraping some debris, and you also want to scrape, because this plate sits on top of this one. If there's a lot of debris here, it'll start pushing this plate back and making the latch here difficult to operate. So just gonna give a quick clean here, clean this off, clean that debris off. Look at that, getting it all off. There, and then this is pretty good. Get that, and if there's any behind here. So we have this groove cleaned, and this groove cleaned out of debris. This is clean. This is flat. Look at that. And that just builds up all over the place. And slide this plate back on. Oop, there we go. And there, it's pretty easy to get on. However, you can see